cars and coffee. It's on the other side of the city, so I wanted to see what was different. Ooh, look at the paint on this. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's like sparkly. I don't know if it's paint or rock, but pretty clean. Nice little C8. Here too. Suvies. It's clean. He got hella stickers on here. Stickers for days. GT350. That's clean. Nice green on this Toyota. LS for the win. That's a clean one right there. Actually recording this on my phone today because my other camera's at home. I kind of came to this last minute, but little iPhone should do the trick. Right-hand drive. Okay. Clean. Corvettes. Ooh, nice little Grand Sport. Okay. That's nice. He got hella carbon on that Mustang. Some stuff pulling in, they taking over. It's a small little lot, but it's a good amount of stuff here. Try to get a close-up of the stuff that pulled in. Yeah, this Corvette's clean. Clean. I like that. I think that C6 is one of the best Corvettes made. I like the color on that one. That one's clean. Mustang clean. Good amount of stuff showed up though. Definitely want one of these in real life. I always like these. The seats are dope. If y'all ever seen the seats on the Camaro wheels, that shit's just fire. One of my favorite four-door muscle cars over a Charger or any of that. Some SS's. Chevy SS. I like the brown on this. This is a nice brown. Nice brown. This thing's clean. Yo, they riding. I feel it. That's pretty dope. I would do that. It's all riding as a group. That's pretty tight. Oh, they got shirts in there. They like a whole club. Get y'all a close up of this crazy Corvette right here.
He's gonna go through the same thing as you. The header burning it.
Shit crazy. You see that sticky on there? That thing playing. If y'all watched the last video, y'all saw this one. Nice little turbo hiding down there.
So many guys that don't have their fingers there.
Ismo clean. Get y'all a close up of this beast right here. Hellcat Challenger. Red eye. If you've been following me for a minute, you've seen this car a few times. It's been on the channel a good amount of times, but just wanted to show y'all. Is he thumbnail worthy? Got some more stuff pulling in. I'm sure he's on airbags. Still nice though, still nice. This is clean. Very clean. BMW boys pulling up. Alright, y'all. About to head out. People pretty much cleared out. Got caught up talking to some people, so, you know, I didn't record everything. I'm gonna just record these last little bits out here. Nice little BMW Z06 on the bead locks. The big boy V right here. Ooh, this one's clean right here. VIP parking right here. VIP parking, but yeah, man. Nice little cars and coffee thing, something light. Good turnout though. I'll definitely start coming to these more. A lot of car community out here, so thank you for tapping in. I'll see y'all at the next one.